Create a template that matches your brand. On your computer, open the Vids video file you want to use as a template. Click File, Make a Copy, Entire Video. Rename the file to indicate that it's a template. For example, Symbol Company Video Template. Click Make a Copy. Click Share. Change the access type for all users to Viewer. Click Copy Link, then click Send. Paste the link into your preferred communication channel, such as an email or a chat message. In the link, change /edit to /copy. When people open the link, they have the option of making a copy of the template, which they can then edit and use for their projects.